Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing great and I welcome you back to Purab's Astrology. Well, I've been touring a lot and right now I'm at the lap of a beautiful lake which is called Pundi Dam, and there you can see a very lovely and beautiful sunset. And I thought that even though I'm not able to make any astrology videos, but why don't I cover this beautiful sunset and share it with my subscribers, because this is nature at its best, guys. And let me try zooming this. Yeah, can you see this? Such a beautiful ambience. This is called Pundi Dam, and here you can see the mighty sun, the king among the planets, slowly setting down such that he can come and rise again another day. And because I have sun in my first house, in my ascendant, so I'm always fascinated and attracted towards the sun. And such a beautiful place, guys. Such a beautiful place. This is a tourist spot, and actually, my farm is just 15 kilometers away from here, among red sandalwood forest. Slowly, the sun is setting down. So let us all worship the mighty sun, the only entity around whom all the other planets revolve around. Because it is only his existence, the mighty sun, upon which our existence exists. You can see people heading to their home. This is a country road, and let us focus on the sunset. Such beauty. I'm sorry for the bad video quality because I have just stopped by a few minutes ago and I was not ready, but I thought that this is something which shall not be missed. It would be a crime to miss this beautiful sunset, guys. And people who have afflicted sun in their horoscope can pray to sun god to mitigate all the negative influences of sun in their horoscope and bless them with confidence, vitality, good skeletal strength, and good willpower. This is the beauty of nature, guys. This is something which is worth $1 billion. So we will wait for the sun to set and then we shall head to our destination. Beautiful things happen when the sun rises, and beautiful things happen when the sun sets, because the sun is the only planet which shines in the day and overpowers all the other stars, all the other planets, even the moon. Because when the sun is dominant during the day, no other planet or no other star is able to reveal itself, because we are living because of the blessings and because of the existence of this mighty entity, the sun. Let the sun set and seek the blessings of the divine being, Suryadev, the sun god. Om Namah Suryaya. 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 Om Om Namah Suryaya. 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 And there you can see the last few moments when the sun sets. Thank you for watching this. I shall be back soon with much beautiful and interesting videos. This is Purab signing off from Purab's Astrology. Adios, guys.